Hey guys, it is horrible weather out here in Nebraska. You can see it's super snowy, and it was raining and thunderstorming hard last night. But yeah, we have about 4 to 10 inches of snow outside. This thing's like literally frozen. And yeah, last night the thunder and lightning both shaking our house. Oh yeah, there's Kitty also. Kitty. Yeah, he's eating. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, here, I'll show you different angle too. And sorry for the like blurry windows. It's all raindrops and snow, sleet, all that. But yeah, horrible weather out here in Nebraska. It's a blizzard.